As we age, it's completely normal to notice a few changes, such as legs feeling a bit weaker, knees aching more than they used to, or even feeling slightly off balance while walking or getting out of a chair. But here's the thing, aging doesn't have to mean losing your strength, stability, or confidence. The truth is, a few targeted exercises done consistently and safely can help restore what time tries to take away. In this video, you'll discover a simple at-home routine that requires no gym, no expensive gear, and no complicated movements. These exercises are carefully chosen for adults over 50 who want to rebuild leg strength, improve balance, ease knee discomfort, and move with more confidence every day. Ready to move better, feel better, and take back control of your body? Let's get started. 1. Standing calf raises. Reignite stability from the ground up. This exercise might look simple, but it's one of the most effective ways to strengthen the often overlooked muscles in your lower legs, the calves and ankles, which are crucial for balance and fall prevention. Here's how to do it. Stand near a wall or sturdy chair for support. Place your feet shoulder width apart and keep your posture upright. Now slowly lift your heels off the ground, rising onto your toes. Hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds to fully engage your calf muscles, then slowly lower back down with control. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 15 reps to start. This not only strengthens the calves, but also improves circulation and joint mobility in the lower legs. Great for walking, climbing stairs, and avoiding ankle rolls or stumbles. 2. Bulgarian split squat. One leg at a time, pain-free strength. Don't be intimidated by the name. This is a fantastic movement for strengthening each leg individually, while also easing strain on the knees and improving hip flexibility. Stand a few feet in front of a chair or low bench. Place one foot behind you on the chair and keep your other foot firmly planted in front. With your chest up and core engaged, slowly lower your body until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Make sure your front knee stays directly above your ankle. Don't let it push past your toes. Start with 5 to 8 reps on each leg and build up gradually. This exercise helps correct imbalances between legs, boosts overall leg power, and supports better coordination, especially when walking on uneven surfaces or climbing stairs. 3. Glute Bridge. Strengthen your core foundation. Your glutes and lower back form the foundation of almost every movement you make, from walking to lifting, even just standing upright. Weak glutes are a common reason many older adults struggle with posture and back pain. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Place your arms by your sides, palms down. Push through your heels as you lift your hips up toward the ceiling, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold at the top for 15 to 20 seconds, squeezing your glutes tight, then lower slowly. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 reps. This strengthens the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, giving you more control, better posture, and support for your spine. 4. Farmer's walk. Boost stability and full body strength. Sometimes the simplest movements are the most powerful. The farmer's walk is an underrated gem for improving full body strength, posture, and balance. Plus, it mimics everyday tasks like carrying groceries, laundry, or even grandchildren. Grab 2 light dumbbells, water bottles, or cans. Anything with some weight. Stand tall with your shoulders back and core engaged. Walk forward in a straight line for about 20 steps, then turn and walk back. Focus on staying tall and moving slowly with control. Repeat for 2 to 3 rounds. This exercise engages your grip, core, shoulders, hips, and legs, making it a full-body tune-up for real-life strength and stability. 5. Wall squats. Build endurance in your thighs and knees. Wall squats are a fantastic way to build thigh strength and knee support. 2 things that directly affect how you walk, sit, stand, and climb. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Slowly slide down until your knees form a 90-degree angle, like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your feet flat and knees above your ankles. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds to start and gradually increase as you get stronger. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. Wall squats target the quads and glutes and are especially effective at building endurance in the muscles that support your knees, helping to reduce pain and improve overall leg function. Now you have 5 powerful, low-impact exercises that can help restore your leg strength, improve your balance, and give you more confidence in everyday movement. Whether you're just getting started or picking up where you left off, this routine is designed to be simple, safe, and incredibly effective for adults over 50. Consistency is key. Try doing these exercises 3 to 4 times a week and watch how your strength, confidence, and mobility start to return. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video tailored for your health and strength journey. And drop a comment below to let me know which of these exercises you're adding to your routine, or if you want more videos like this. Stay strong, stay active, and I'll see you in the next one.